Take a wide-legged stance and shift your weight from one knee over to the other, just warming up the joints. Arms to the sky, and shift your weight onto your right thigh. Deep bend, arms out, and shift to the other side. Side stretch. Come back to center. Roll your shoulders back. Warm up your wrists. And walk up to the front of the mat. Arms to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift. Exhale, step one leg back and the other leg back. Come on to all fours. Exhale, cat-cow. Step one leg back for a calf stretch. Great warm-up if you're going to take a run. And opposite side. Lift your heels up and back, downward facing dog, and pedal it out. Bend one knee at a time. Inhale, take 2 deep steps up to the front of the mat and curl up into mountain pose. Arms to the sky, cross your fingers, extend back, and you can reach your hands behind you. Exhale. Step back into Warrior Two. Inhale, scoop the front arm up and circle that arm down to your thigh. Elbow just in front of the knee with the opposite arm up. Palm to the ground and reach to the other side. Step back, plank pose, hips up, downward facing dog, and walk back to the front of the mat. Rising up, big inhale, arms up to the sky. Exhale. Warrior Two, opposite side. Palms to the sky, scoop your front arm forward, find an extension. Circle your elbow down to your thigh, arm to the sky, and let that palm fall to the mat. Reach up and back. Take it in. Both palms to the mat, and you're going to step back, plank pose, hips up to downward dog. Take one leg back Kiss your knee to your elbow. Opposite leg out, knee to the elbow. And walk up to the front of the mat and rise up. Deep inhale, arms to the sky. And warm your hands together. Notice your heart rate rising. And come back to the center of the mat. Extend your arms, reach out, big extension, bend your knees, cactus arms. And extend out to one side. Reach towards the other side. Back to center, extending out, wide-legged forward fold. Come into a deep squat on one side. Feel the stretch. Other side. Come back to center, wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, rise up. Arms stretch out to both sides. Warrior two. Pivot that back leg to the front of the mat. Lift your arms up. High lunge. Stretch your arms out, cactus pose. Clasp your hands together and take a bend, almost kissing your knee down to the ground. You can turn to the opposite side as you bend, keeping both knees forward. Arms up, cactus arms. Shift your weight forward and step back up. Arms to the sky. Exhale. High lunge, opposite side. Take a bend. Clasp your arms together. And you can turn as you bend, keeping the knees facing forward. Cactus arms. Shift your weight to the front of the mat. Mountain pose. Lift one leg up. Balance here. Open up to the other side. Stay focused on your core. Come back to center. Wiggle it out. Opposite leg up. Take a hand to the inside of your knee and stretch out to the other side. Come back to center. Relax, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step one leg back, and you're going to find your way into pigeon. deep stretch. Look behind you to one side. You can reach back with your arm, and if you like, lift that back leg up. Grab your toes. Release back down. Pull that knee back and relax into child's pose. Come back to all fours. Bring your other knee forward, pigeon pose. Keep your heart up. Look back behind you. You can reach your arm out. And if you like, grab that back toe. Release down. Come back to all fours. Child's pose. One more time. Reach your arms out to one side of the mat. Find a side stretch. Reach to the other side. Come back to center. Extend your fingers. Put your forearms down. Lift your hips up. Shift your weight onto your arms and find a plank pose. Keep breathing. Come back to all fours. Curl your toes under. Lift your hips back. Downward facing dog. Take a deep bend and walk up to the front of the mat. Rising up to the sky. Bring your arms together. Take a deep breath. And thank you so much for practicing with me today.